Today we'll be making something so exciting. Today we're going to make 3D shapes for kids to learn about geometry. They can feel them and learn more about 3D shapes with this craft. Have fun! Go on a hunt around your house and find boxes, balls, ornaments. You could use these tennis things, or you could use cans, pasta boxes, crayon boxes, really anything you have around your house. Also need any colored duct tape, scissors, and something to decorate your geometry shapes. I'm using these sequins. You can use stickers, beads, or anything you want to decorate it with. First shape that I will be covering is this awesome crayon box. This is a rectangular prism. So I cut out some tape pieces just to make it easier, and now I'm just going to take the duct tape and cover it over my crayon box. It can be in any shape or order. It doesn't matter. That's the fun. Cover your shape on all sides with your duct tape color. Here's how it looks. Time to cover our can. This is a cylinder. It has 2 faces but 0 vertices because it has no edges or corners. Okay, now let's cover it all the way. So I'll just wrap my tape around. It's as simple as that. Now the top of our cylinder. Just cover it just like that. Here's how it looks so far. Now it's my favorite 3-dimensional shape, a sphere. Did you know that a sphere is the shape of the Earth? A sphere is so easy because it has no vertices, no faces, and no sides. To make a cone, here's a really easy trick. Cut a paper plate in half, roll it up, and tape it, and there is your awesome cone. A cone is like an ice cream cone, like the cone that you eat with your ice cream. So a cone has 1 vertex and 1 face. Here's the vertex, and this is the bottom is the face. Here's all my 3D shapes. I added some more and taped them with gray tape. But don't they look awesome? We have so many shapes. It's like a really good variety. Our last step is to add some bling to them. I'm just adding these sequins, but you can add whatever you have available at your home. I have a really cool fact for you guys. We all know that the Earth is round, right? But a long time ago, people thought that the Earth was flat, like a paper. A man named Pythagoras found out that the Earth was a sphere, which looks like this. Here's a globe that I have at my house. The Earth looks like this. It's a round sphere, and this is our sphere that we made in this video. Here's my finished product. They look so nice and glam, and they're so awesome, right? This is a perfect way to learn geometry. I know when I was learning geometry, I just couldn't learn it. So these are a perfect way to visualize how the 3D shapes are. I hope you enjoyed making this awesome geometry craft. Bye, friends!